Hi guys, how are you? I missed you. Honestly, I wanted to talk to you about something really exciting. I'm usually not excited about these things, but because we're staying home a lot more, well, at least I am, just to be safe, I'm starting to do things on my own. And that's why I'm excited to open this package that just came and I ordered, which is the Philips Lumea. And I'm so excited about this because not only is it cordless and corded use, but it's smart skin sensor, and it also has an underarm bikini and for face, which is amazing. I'm gonna open it with you guys. See, so it opens like that, and that's the Lumea Prestige. It comes like that. It's actually not that big too, look. And it has, so it's really cool. It's not, I thought it would be bigger, but it's actually not. It's pretty cool. So this comes in it, and then you have inside, obviously, the charger. More is that it has a case, so you can easily travel with it when we can travel normally. But this is so cool. I'm so excited to try it.